Hi, hello, and welcome. If you are new here, thanks for joining our channel. If you are returning, thank you so much for your support. Today I have an awesome Target haul for you. This is going to be the last of the stuff I missed that I had shoved in my suitcase and forgot about. So I hope that you will stay and see the beautiful things that I picked up along the way. If you are interested, please stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so like I said, this is going to be a Target haul. This is some fall finds, as well as I think I have one pair of biker shorts and a tank top, so I guess that would be, you know, we could still lounge in the hot sun before the season finally takes over and it gets real chilly. But this is the first outfit that I have. This top, it's really pretty light purple color. It's like a half sleeve, I would say, because it does come down to the elbow and the crease of your arm. It is super cute. It is like a turtleneck, just not quite as high. This would look super cute with a long necklace or with a gold chain. And I forgot to wear a chain today. But this is from A New Day and it was only $12. This is in a size medium. And then, of course, my favorite pants. You guys know I love the universal thread. These are the mid-rise jeans in a size short because I am short, with some black boots. I do think that they would look super cute with this type of black, or this type of blue boot as well. So, you know, definitely very fall approved, very comfortable. It is a little constricting for me, the jeans and the neck part here, but I do still really like it. I think you could wear it to work and be very casual, as well as transition into the fall. So for those of you who are new, I am short. I am exactly 5 feet tall. I am 32 around the waist, which is equivalent to usually a size 14, depending on the brand. And then I am between a large and extra large, depending on the brand as well. I am a 36 around the bust and a large or extra large on top. So this A New Day ran kind of big, so I did pick this up in a medium, and I do still have a lot of room to grow, so you could size down if you wanted to. I don't usually like to tuck my shirts in. I like to leave mine untucked, so here is what this would look like if it were untucked. So to me, this is a more comfortable, casual look for me. However, if you want to dress it up, I would tuck it in. And again, I think it's gorgeous with the boots, with the bootie. So there are those pieces. The next set that I have, and I will definitely show you these on the hanger as well when I change into this next outfit. This is one of their basic tank tops. This was only $8, and I did buy this in a size medium, also from A New Day. This is like a rustic color. It's kind of got a little hint of like maybe a terracotta or reddish brown. Really pretty. Now these I am super excited about, you guys. These are the black leggings, and these were only $7. I did pick them up in an extra large just because of the way that it looked like they might fit in the store, so we'll see. These are from Wild Fable, and they started to get all kinds of colors. This, however, was the only one I found for $7. So I would suggest, like, let's just keep an eye out and see if they're going to release some more colors for the $7 range. I've been seeing them for between the $12 and $18 range, which I don't mind paying the $12. When you start getting to the $18 range, that's when I'm kind of like, you know, I'll just pick and choose some colors that I like. But I'll get any color if they are the $7 range. So let me go ahead and try those on. here is the purple shirt on the hanger. You can see the detail here of the collar, super cute. And then in the back you have this seam that goes down, makes it super cute. And here is the length of those sleeves. I think it just makes any type of pants or bottoms, whether it be jeans, pants, a skirt, it will just dress it up, but still give a casual look. So that is what I really like about this piece. And then here are the jeans from the Universal Thread. Like I was saying, they are a size 14-32. These are the mid-rise skinny. You can see that in here. And then, oh, the sticker fell off. I did want to show you that they were a size short, but the little sticker must have fell off. These were $24. I think that they are definitely worth the price. Oh, here's that sticker. Here's that sticker I was looking for. So yeah, 14, and you can see that right here. Right here it says short. So I have always been really pleased with these pants. They are one of my favorite. Massimo used to be my favorite from Target, and they no longer sell that there, and for whatever reasons that might be. But these are definitely something that I think are worth spending the extra little bit of money. Still a great price, great quality, and all of those things. Okay, so now here is that like rustic colored top with the black leggings. So I do think I could have went with an extra large, because you can see that there's all of this extraness here. And it's very comfortable. Like, I think you can't even tell that it's that baggy on me. I do feel like they might shrink, so I'm probably going to keep them. These are so comfortable. Like, they are everything. They are just an amazing, amazing, comfortable quality. I love them. They do fit short girls. They do go down to my ankle, which I love, which is always a struggle. I did pair them with the brown boots I showed you earlier. And then here is that tank top. You can wear this tank top just as it is, or you can put a cardigan or sweater, or even a cute little like moto jacket over it to dress it up. Here is what it looks like untucked. Again, I'm more of the untucked kind of person, so I like it this way. Very flattering on the curves as well. The next thing I have for you guys is, it's going to be a whole little thing. Here are some more leggings. These are the dark gray color. These ones I did get in an extra large, and these ones were the $12 range. I just wanted to get a couple of variety of the leggings. I think they're so comfortable, and they're just nice for that chilly weather when you're getting ready to go, you know, grab a coffee, have some brunch with the girls, that kind of a thing. And then I also have a black shirt that is exactly like the purple one, also from A New Day, and a size medium, $12. And then I found this really pretty top, and this is from the, let's see, this is a one size fits all. It was a little more pricey. It was $20 from Wild Fable. I want to put that over the black shirt and see how that looks, and we'll create our own little style. So let me try those on. Alright, you guys, before I switch into the gray leggings, I kind of just wanted to show you what this looks like all black, because originally I had bought this to go with a black unitard that I did in a previous Walmart haul. I didn't know what to put over it, and then I found this and I thought it was so cute. Now this is the original tie knot that came like off the hanger, and I really like the way that it's baggy here. Of course you can do any type of style that you want, but I kind of wanted to show you like how cute it is, and just here is how big the sleeves are. Again, it's one size fits all. I think that, you know, once you untie it and just kind of clean it up a little bit, it'll look super cute with a pair of jeans as well. I just wanted to give you guys the idea with, because the unitard that I had was all black. And so I wanted to kind of show you what that would look like if you did have an all black jumper or anything like that on. Again, very cute. They did have a couple of other colors. This one was the only one that I found, so I'm gonna see if I could find this online, and I will link this down. I'll link everything down below, and if anything is not available, I will always put in parentheses that here is a similar item. Because I know, like on Walmart, I try to find similar items, but they sell most of their things in 2-packs just because they're so affordable. I think it's easier for them to do like a 2-pack rather than a single. So I will always do something like that, and I will look for this online, or so yeah. Anyway, I'm rambling, but I do think this is really cute. I think this would look much better with jeans, but still wanted to give you guys the idea of wearing this with something like that. So now I really will go ahead and switch into the gray leggings. Alright, really quickly, here is what this top looks like with the black leggings. I really love this. This is comfortable to do chores with around the house, or running to pick the kids up from school, that kind of a thing. It's so comfortable. I could totally live in this. So I really wanted to show you guys what that looks like with some leggings. Alright, now we really will do the bike shorts. Here are the teal bike shorts. I really like them. I think I made a good decision in getting the extra large on these. I do feel like they run small. They were still stretchy enough, but they kind of were a perfect fit as far as when I pull them on and staying on. They do have that comfort in them, so they're not extremely tight, but they're very comfortable. I can feel like the stitching down here. Not that it's tight, but I can feel that around my leg. So I think the extra large was a good choice, or I'm sorry, the XXL was a good choice. The extra large probably would have been a little bit more confining and not quite as comfortable. I do think it looks really good with this top. However, I feel like this top actually went way better with the gray leggings, but still an option for sure. Here is what I was talking about, the length. It goes below the belly button, so it's not extremely short. When you have a higher waisted pant or bottom, it looks extremely fine. Like, there's no issue with the croppedness at all. And I just paired them with some Nike tennis shoes. Like I said, I would just be around the house or running errands like this. That pretty much wraps it up for this Target haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I will be doing some more. I did run to both Walmart and Target over the weekend, and I saw they had some more really nice fall attire out, so I will be doing an actual fall haul for those items because I'm so excited to pick up some of those pieces and share them with you guys. So I would consider, if you hang around, if you like, comment, and subscribe, I would appreciate it. And we will see you in our next video. Bye, guys.